Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the viral video, so like AI versus real. So for the prompt for ideas, I'm just going to put this in ChatGPT first. I will put it in the description box down below here. And then now for each of those 10 selected ideas, run me a realistic AI. I will again put this in the description box down below. So here, as you can see, I'll do the butter melting on a pancake here. And then this is the prompt that you're going to paste into like an AI video. I'll just put this, I guess, and then I'm just going to make. And it's going to make me the AI video for this one. And then for the stock video, this is what you're going to type in here. You can search for it in Pixabay. I'll do it in Pixabay here. Then cooking / breakfast stock clips. Okay, maybe just type in breakfast clips. And then select videos, and then you'll find like, I guess, the video that is the real one, and then this will be like the AI one, and then you're going to put like this versus this. If you can't find it, probably just type in like butter on pancake here and just find like similar videos, maybe this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You're just going to then download 2 of the videos, and then you're going to put it side by side, or one's like on the top and one's at the bottom, and then you're going to just type like which one's AI and stuff like that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.